Hello everyone, this is Sudhir. Welcome back to my class. In this class, I am going to teach how to solve 10th standard coordinate geometry exercise number 7.2. In this exercise, for almost all the problems, we are going to use a important formula, that is section formula. So what is section formula? How does it work? First of all, you can check the question here. Find the coordinate of the point which divides the joining the 2 points -1, 7, 4, 3 in the ratio 2:3. That means, for suppose if you take the coordinate axis, this is x-axis and y-axis. So -1, 7 is a point. -1, 7 is a point. It lies here. -1, 7. And one more 4, 3 is a point. It is here 4, 3. Okay, now if you join these 2 points, yes, this is a line. If this line is dividing in the ratios 2:3, because here given it is a 2:3, so first suppose if we write 2:3 ratio, maybe the 2:3 is dividing here, for suppose, then we need to find what is the point here. So this is the concept given. So find the coordinate of the point which divides the joining the 2 point -1, 7 and 4, 3 in the ratio 2:3. So this is the concept here. To find out this, we should use one important formula, that is called section formula. So what is the section formula? The section formula is is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So for this, and what is m1 here? The m1 is ratios. So this one we consider as m1 and 3 as m2. So this is x1, y1, and here it is x2, y2. So now these numbers I'm going to take in the formula. So m1 into x2, m1 is 2 into what is x2 here? X2 is 4 plus m2 is 3, x1 is -1 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 3. And the next one, m1 y2. What is m1 in this? This is 2 and y2 is -3 plus m2. m2 is here 3 and y1 is 7. So it's divided by, again here 2 plus 3. Okay, so this is 2 4s. 2 4s are 8. And plus of minus is -3 divided by this 2 plus 3 equal to 5, and here 2 into 3 -6, 2 3s are 6, but plus into minus is -6 plus, and we have 3 7 times 3 7s are 21 divided by 5. 2 plus 3 equal again 5. So what is 8 minus 3? 8 minus 3 equal here 5 divided by 5. And one more, yes, -6 plus 21. So 21 minus 6 we get 15 divided by 5. So we can cancel this like 5 ones, 5 ones and 5 ones and 5 3s. So then we get 1, 3 is the point. That means, so this is the point. That means somewhere here it is going to divide like a 2:3 ratio. The point is like 1, 3. So this is the meaning of this question. So the concept is, by when they are given the ratios like something like m1 is to m2 and the 2 points like x1 y1 and x2 y2, by using the section formula, so we can solve these problems are very easily. Okay, so 1, 3 is the answer for this question. The next one is find the coordinate of the points of the trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2 comma -3. So what is the meaning of trisection? For suppose if you have a line and this line is, for example, the vertices of the line here, for suppose it is like a4 minus 1 and the point B, so this is like -2 comma -3. Okay, so this point is dividing into, so trisection point mean a line segment which divide into three equal parts. For example, this line is dividing into three equal parts mean we can find out here the 2 points, right? So these 2 points we can consider as P and Q. These 2 points P and Q are the 2 points are dividing the line segment AB into 3 equal parts. Then P and Q are called trisection point. So what is the ratio of the two here? You can observe here we have one part and here we have the 2 parts, right? So then this ratio is P is a point can divide 1:2 ratio. Now if you observe the 2, that means Q, and we have the 2 parts here, so that it is 2:2, and this side we have only one part, 2:1. So the trisection point means a line segment which divide in the ratio 1:2 and 2:1 ratio is trisection point. So what are the 2 points are given here? That is 4 comma -1 and -2 comma -3. So first of all we can find what is P. So P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Similarly, Q divides AB in the ratio, this is 2:1. So we should find what is the P here. So P we take as generally x comma y is a point, x comma y equal to, now I am going to use the section formula, that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and here again m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, so what is m1? Now we are going to discuss about the point P, right? So this is m1 and m2, and the 2 points are there already here. This is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Okay, so what is m1 here? That is 1 into x2 is -2, and what is m2? This is 2 into x1 is 4 by m1 plus m2. What is m1 plus m2 here? This is 1 plus 2, and m1 y2. What is m1? 1, and what is y2 here? This is -3 plus m2. So you can observe here what is m2. m2 is 2, and y1 is here -1, so that here -1 I am taking is divided by 1 plus 2. Okay, so 1 of -2 means 1 into -2, which is equal to -2. 1 into -2 plus 2 into 4 8 by 3. 2 into 4 8 by 3, because 1 plus 2 equal to 3. And in the previous step again 1 into -3 is -3. You can see here 1 into -3 is -3. Plus of minus is minus, and 2 ones are 2. So -3 -2. -3 and -2 divided by again 1 plus 3, that 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6 by 3. Here we get -3 minus 2 is -5 by So 6 by 3, 3 1, 3 2's. So the answer we get here, this is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. 2 comma minus 5 by 3. This is P. P equal to 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Now we should find what is Q also. So Q divide in the ratio 2:1, right? So that point we write now. Q divides AB in the ratio this is like 2:1. So what is the AB? Once again we'll note here AB, okay, A and B, what they gave in the question, 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, right? So 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So these are the 2 points, given 2 points. So we can take here, this is like x1, y1, and this is x2, y2, this is m1 and m2. Okay, so now I'm going to find Q. So formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So what is m1? This is 2, m1 is 2 and x2 is minus 2, m2 is 1 and x1 is 4. So divided by m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 1. Again m1 it is 1, y2 is minus 3 plus m2 is 1 and y1 is again minus 1. It's divided by 2 plus 1. So here we write now this 2 into minus 2. This 2 into minus 2. This is equal to like minus 4 plus 1 4s are 4 by 2 plus 1 is 3. And 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 by 3. Sorry, actually this is 2, right? So then we get here 6 minus 6. So m1 is here, m1 is 2. So that we take here 2, then minus 6 minus 1. So this is 0 by 3 and minus 7 by 3. So 0 by 3 is a point, that is 0 comma minus 7 by 3. So this is Q. Okay, so 2 points we got here. Point P is, that is 2 comma minus 5 by 3, and point Q, that is 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Now we'll discuss the next question. Find the ratios in which the line segment joining the points minus 3 comma 10 and 6 minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. Just up to now what we did here, we found there the point when they divide something a ratio like 2:3 or 1:2 or 2:1 ratio. But in this problem what they are asking, we need to find the ratio now. It's very important model. We need to find the ratio when they have given the 2 points. So these 2 points we can consider x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So this is just a point like x comma y, and now we should find this point minus 1 comma 6, in what ratio it will divide these 2 given points. Got it? So we need to find in this problem ratio. To find out this one, just I'm going to take any one ordinate, like maybe whether it is x coordinate or y coordinate. So the given 2 points are here. Let the given 2 points, let a minus 3 comma 10 and B 6 comma minus 8. Okay, so these 2 points I'm going to take as usual. This is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2, and given another point, and let, so this is y2, so you can take one more point, let, this is the point like B minus 1 comma 6. So this one also we can take as, it's just like x comma y. Okay, so now here I'm going to write x coordinate. Only x coordinate I'm taking. So what is x coordinate? That is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, right? m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2, right? So what is m1 here? You can observe m1, we need to find out that, and x coordinate is minus 1, that minus 1 I'm taking here, minus 1, and m1 we should find out, so that m1, but x2 here it is 6 plus m2 and x1 is minus 3 by m1 plus m2. Okay, now next step what we do, we should transpose this one here, then we get, so minus 1 into m1 plus m2, that equaled 6m1 minus 3m2, 6m1 minus 3m2. Okay, so next we should use the distributive property here, minus 1 into m minus m1 minus 1 into n2 minus n2 is equal to, this is 6m1 minus 3m2. So transpose this 6m1 here and m2 here, then we have minus m1 minus 6m1 is equal to minus 3 m2 plus m2. Okay, so minus m1 minus 6m1, this is equal to minus 7m1 is equal to minus m2 plus m2, which is equal to minus 2m2. Okay, so to find the ratios of m1 is to m2, so this is very important point. Now what I'm going to say, the most of the student will get confused here while they are writing the ratio from this. So we are transposing this value here, then it becomes m1 divided by m2. Okay, now this minus 7 we can transpose here, then we have minus 2 is divided by minus 7. So finally from this what we write, m1 is to m2 is equal to, so we can cancel minus minus here, then we have 2 by 7 means 2 is to 7. So the given 2 points will divide in the ratio m1 is to m2, that is 2 is to 7. It's most important problem for essay type questions. So the next one is, so here is the next question. In a parallelogram, actually the 4 vertices of a parallelogram are given here, so we have to find x and y. So actually in a parallelogram diagonal bisect each other. So first we can check what is the figure. So you can observe here, yes, actually this is the figure, this belongs to the given question. So parallelogram is there here. So the 4 vertices a1 comma 2, b4 comma y, and cx comma 6 and d 3 comma 5 are taken, and the diagonals are bisect each other here. So at O. So what is the meaning of diagonals bisect each other? That means AC midpoint is equal, because the diagonals are here, AC and BD. So AC midpoint is O, similarly BD midpoint is O. That means we should take a point here. What's the meaning of the diagonal bisect each other? So first we write in a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Okay, so diagonal bisect each other mean AC midpoint is equal to midpoint of A, that is 1, 2, C x, 6 equal to midpoint of BD. BD means B is a point that is 4, Y and B is 3, 5. Okay. So what is midpoint formula? First we write the midpoint formula. So midpoint formula is this is x1 plus x2 by 2 y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is midpoint formula. So using this formula we can find out what is x and y here. That means how to find out this. Just I'm going to take AC midpoint means then this is x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. Okay, so 1 plus x1 x2 means 1 plus x by 2. Okay, and y1 plus y2 means 2 plus 6 by 2. Equal to BD midpoint. B is here, this is x1 y1 and here it is x2 y2. So 4 plus 3 by 2, 4 plus 3 by 2 and 5 plus or y plus 5 by 2. Okay, so we take here it is y plus 5 by 2. Now in the next step what we write now, 1 plus x by 2 and 2 plus 6 is 8 by 2. So 1 plus x by 2 and 8 by 2. So 1 plus x divided by 2 comma 8 by 2, that equal, and here we have 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 by 2 plus y plus 5 by 2. Okay, so 7 by 2 and y plus 5 by 2. Okay, so now make them both are equal. Both are equal mean you can check this one, these two are equal because of x coordinate, and here these two are equal because of these two are y coordinate. So we write here now 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. So we can cancel 2 on both sides. Now we have here 1 plus x, that means here we write 1 plus x is equal to 7, then x is equal to, just you can transpose this one here, it becomes 7 minus 1, then x is equal to 6. So we got x value is 6. Similarly we can find y from this. So here 8 by 2 is equal to y plus 5 by 2. So both sides we can cancel 2 here, then we have the remaining now y plus 5 is equal to 8, then transpose this 5 here, then you will get y equal to, so y equal to 8 minus 5, then y equal to 3. So 6, 3 is the answer for for this question. So x value is 6 and y value is 3. So here is the next important question for the short answers, that is find the coordinate of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, -3 and B 1, 4. So first we should take a circle. Yes, now you can observe here we have a circle. In a circle, if you take a radius or the diameter, so this is the diameter of a circle, and here we have the points like center of a circle given 2, -3. So we write here the center of a circle 2, -3, and one end of the diameter is, this is B 1, 4. This is one end of the diameter, okay, point B, and we need to find in this problem what is other end, that is A. So this A we are going to take like x, y. So these points we write here. Let other end of the diameter A x, y. But what is the center of a circle? The center of a circle is, we write the point, the center of a circle is you can observe the center of a circle is the midpoint of the diameter, right? So the point we write now, center of a circle is midpoint of diameter. That means, so what is the center of a circle here? Just we can take as O. This O equal to O2, O, this is 2, -3 is equal to, so midpoint of the diameter means the diameter points we can take here now, right? One of the point here, yeah, this is x1, y1, and this is like x2, y2. Okay, so midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So that we write here, this is x plus 1 by 2, and y1 plus y2 means y plus 4 by 2. Okay, so don't get any confused here. Midpoint formula here I'm writing one more time. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, so this is the midpoint formula. Using this formula I wrote this one, right? Now you can observe these two are equal, right? That means 2 equal, we have x plus 1 by 2. Now you can transpose this one here, then we get from this 2 into 2 that equal to x plus 1. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4 equal to x plus 1. Now we can transpose this one here, then we have 4 minus 1 that equal to x. So then x is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. So one of the point we got here means x value is 3. Now we should find the value of y. To find the value of y, make them these two are equal. That means plus 4 by 2 equal to minus 3. So y plus 4 by 2 equal minus 3. Now you can transpose this one here, this one, then we have y plus 4 by minus 3 comma 2. So y equal to, this is 3 minus 3 comma 2 is minus 6, Now you can transpose this 4 also here, it becomes minus 4. So y equal to minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10. So y value we got minus 10. Then what's the sum of the circle? So point A equal to, that is ax comma y is equal to, here we got x value is, what the value of x we got here, you can observe, yes, this is 3. We write now x value is 3 and y we got minus 10. So 3 comma minus 10 is other end. It is important for the mark questions. Here is another question on my screen, that is, if A and B are minus 2 and minus 2 and 2 comma minus 4 respectively, find the coordinate of P such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 times of AB. P lies on the line segment AB. So for suppose if we take a line segment here, it's a line segment, and here we have like it is A, this is B, and P is a point is here. So how they gave, this is like given AP equal 3 by 7 times of AP. That means here we have 3 parts out of total 7. If it is total 7 parts, in this is 3 parts, that means the remaining is 4 parts. That means we have like P is dividing AB in the ratio 3:4, because 3 plus 4 equal to 7. So how we write the points here? Let given points, but already given points are here, A minus 2 comma minus 2, B 2 comma minus 4. So and the ratio between, that is AP is to PB, this is 3:4. So we take this one x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So this is m1 and m2. Okay, so here we have the section formula. That is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 is divided by m1 plus m2 m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay, so using this formula, what is m1 from this? That is 3. And what is x2? Here we have taken x2 is 2 plus m2 is here from this 4, and x1 is from here minus 2, divided by m1 plus m2, that is 3 plus 4, and m1 y2, m1 is here again 3, but y2 is minus 4, plus m2 is 4 and y1 is minus 2, is divided by 3 plus 4. So what we write in the next step? 3 into 2 is equal to, that is 6. 4 into minus 2 is equal to minus 8. And divided by, we have 3 plus 4, that is equal to 7. And here 3 into minus 4 is minus 12.
and 4 into minus 2, minus 8. So minus 12 minus 8 divided by 3 plus 4, again it is 7. So 6 minus 8 is equal to minus 2. This is minus 2 by 7, and here minus 2 minus 8 both are negative. Add and take the negative symbol. This is minus 2 by 7. So minus 20 by 7. So the required point here, minus 2 by 7 comma minus 20 by 7. It's a most important for 4 marks.
And here is the next question on my screen, that is the coordinate of the points which divide the line segment joining minus 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 6. So here I'm going to draw a line. Yes, this one, and here is the point. This is like A, minus 4 comma 0, and this is B, it's like 0 comma 6. Now for these two, this is dividing into 4 line segment. That means we should get here like here 1 point, it is second point, and this is the third point. Now we have the 4 equal part here, right? 4 equal parts. So now what about this one? This is I'm going to take like Q, and this is P, okay, P, Q and R. So what is Q here? Q is the midpoint of A and B. So Q is the midpoint of A and B. That means what is the midpoint formula? So we should take the midpoint formula here. So midpoint equal to formula x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, so this is the formula to find midpoint. Now the 2 points, the given 2 points, I am taking x1 y1 and here x2 y2. Now Q is a pointer, midpoint of, here I am writing that Q is midpoint of AB. That means here x1 plus x2 by 2, so minus 4 plus 0 by 2, and y1 plus y2 by 2, 0 plus 6 by 2, then minus 4 plus 0, which is equal to minus 4 by 2, and 0 plus 6 is, this is 6 by 2. So after cancelling this, like 2 ones and 2 2s will get cancelled. So this is 2 1 and 2 3s cancel. Now we have the point here like minus 2 comma 3. So this is minus 2 comma 3. Now what about here P? So P is the midpoint of AQ. So we take the point here. P is midpoint of A minus 4 comma 0 and P, sorry, it is Q, right? Q minus 2 comma 3. Now as usual, this is x1 y1 and it is x2 y2. So we take here like x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 is the formula. So P equal minus 4 plus of minus 2 by 2, and it is 0 plus 3 by 2. So minus 2 plus of minus 4 plus of minus 2 is minus 6 by 2, and this is 3 by 2. So after the cancellation here, 2 ones and 2 3 times, so we write here minus 3 comma 3 by 2. So this is point point P. Now what about the point R? This point R is midpoint of Q and B. So what is Q here? That is minus 2 comma 3. So we write here R is midpoint of Q. So what is the point Q here? Minus 2 comma 3 and B 0 comma 6. So as usual, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So the midpoint formula now R equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 means minus 2 plus 0 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2, 3 plus 6 by 2. So this minus 2 plus 0 we get minus 2 by 2 and 6 plus 3 is 9 by 2. So 2 get cancelled here. We have minus 1 comma 9 by 2. So this is R. So finally we got the 3 points here. Once we can verify that here P is minus 2 comma 3. Sorry, P is minus 3 comma 3 by 2 and Q is minus 2 comma 3 and R is minus 1 comma 9 by 2. So this is the one of the modalities. So we will discuss the same question, same model question with another model. So here is the same model question, but I am going to explain you with another model, that is by using the ratios. So here is a line. This line is, so as usual, A, it's a point A minus 2 comma 2 and it's a point B like 2 comma 8. Now we should take here 4 points because it's dividing into 4 equal parts. That part is 1, second part here and the third part here. So that means these 3 points I'm going to take the name like it is P, Q, R, and P, Q, R are dividing the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. Okay, so what about this part here? This side we have 1 and here we have 1, 2, 3 equal parts. So that this is, that means P is dividing like 1:3 ratio. Similarly Q is dividing, here we have 2 parts, so that 2:2, and this side again we have the 2 parts, that is 2. So 2:2 means that is 1:1 ratio. And what about R here? So this side we have completely 3 parts and here this side we have 1 part, so 3:1 ratio. That means P divides 1:3, Q divides 1:1 and R divides 3:1 ratios. So first of all, the given points are so let the given points this is A minus 2 comma 2 and B is 2 comma 8. So these are the 2 given points. So for this we can take like, so this is x1 y1 and here it is x2 y2. So the first point P divides AB in the ratio one is to 3. So this is M1 is to M2. Now to find P, just a formula I am going to write now. P equal to section formula M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. Similarly M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. So using this formula we can write now what is M1. This is 1 comma 3. So here I am going to write this. This is 1 comma 3, m1 x2. So x2 is there, this is 2, right? So m1 into 2 plus m2 is 3 and x1 is minus 2 divided by 1 plus 3. And similarly m1 y2, m1 is again 1 into y2 is 8 plus m2 is 3 and y1 is 2 by 1 plus 3. Okay, so from this we get 1 2s are 2 minus 2 3s are 6 by, see, 1 2s are 2 minus plus into minus minus, 3 2s are 6 by 1 plus 3 is 4 and 1 8s are 8 plus 3 2s are 6 divided by 4. Okay, so 2 minus 6. So in the next step we write here 2 minus 6 is minus 4 by 4 and 8 plus 6 is 14 by 4. That means by cancelling here, this is one time cancel and this is 2 2s and 2 7s cancel, then we have that minus 1 comma 7 by 2. So this is about the point P. Now Q we are going to find. Q divides A minus 2 comma 2, B 2 comma 8 in the ratio 1:1. So Q equal to, we take now Q, this Q equal to m1 x2, right? So this is as usual m1 and m2. So this is like x1 y1 and x2 y2, right? So m1 x2, m1 is 1 into x2 is 2 plus m2 is 1 into x1 is minus 2 by 1 plus 1. So m1 is 1 into y2 is 8 plus m2 is 1 into y1 is 2 by m1 plus m2. Okay, so this is 1 2s are 2 and plus into minus minus, 2 1s are 2 by 2 and this is 8 1s are 8 plus 2 by 2. 2 minus 2 equal to 0 by 2 and this 8 plus 2 is 10 by 2. So here by cancelling this we get 0 by 2 is 0 and this is 2 1 2 5 times cancel, comma 5, 0 comma 5 is the point Q. Now we should find the point R. So we write here R divides A, that is minus 2 comma 2, B 2 comma 8, in the ratio 3:1. So as usual this is x1 y1 x2 y2 m1 m2. Okay, so this is what R equal to m1 means 3 into m1 x2 is 2 plus, so m1 x2 plus m2 y1, m2 is 1 into m1 x2 plus m2 x1, x1 is minus 2 by m1 plus m2, this is 3 plus 1. Similarly m1 y2, m1 is 3 into y2 is 8 plus m2 is 1 into y1 is 2 by 3 plus 1. So in the next step we get 3 2s are 6 minus plus into minus minus 2 by 4, and 8 3s are 24 plus 2 by 4. So 6 minus 2 is 4 by 4, and 24 plus 2 is 26 by 4. So 4 4 get cancelled. We have 1, 2 2s and 2, 13 times are cancelled. This is 13 by 2. So 1 comma 13 by 2 is the answer. That means point R. So the line segment dividing into 4 equal parts mean we should get the 3 points. The 3 points like P, Q, R. P is in the ratio like 1:3. Q is the ratio like 1:1. And R is in the ratio like 3:1. So the next question. Find the coordinate of the point which divides the line segment joining the points. So as usual, this is x1, this is y1, and this x2, y2 are in the ratio they gave m1 is to m2. So the section formula is m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2 and m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. So what we do for this, now what is m1 here? This is 3 into x2 is a minus b plus m2. This is 2 into x1 is a plus b by 3 plus 2. So again m1 by 2, m1 is 3 into y2 is a plus b, and m2 is 2 into y1 is a minus b by 3 plus 2. So in the next step we get 3a, 3 into a 3a minus 3b plus 2a plus 2b, right? 2a and 2b divided by 5. So 3a plus 3b plus 2a minus 2b by 5. So 3a minus 3a plus, just you can observe here, this 3a plus 2a which is equal to 5a, and minus 3b plus 2b which is equal to minus b. So 5a minus b, 5a minus b divided by the ratio has given. So this is 3 plus 2 which is equal to 5, and another one here 3a plus 2a which is equal to 5a, and 3b minus 2b is equal to plus b divided by 5. So this is the answer for this question. It's very easy problem. And the last question of the exercise, find the coordinate of the centroid of the following. So the another name how the question can ask, find the intersecting point of median of a triangle. So what is the meaning of intersecting point of the median? So this is one of the median, here the second median, and this is the third median, and the three medians are intersecting at one point, that is this one. So this is called centroid. But to find centroid here, we have a formula like x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. The given one I am going to take x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So what is the centroid formula? Centroid equal formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, so what is x1 in this problem? This is minus 1, x2 is 6 and x3 is minus 3 by 3. Here y1 is 3 plus of minus so 3, y2 is minus, so plus of minus 3, and y3, this is 6 by 3, so that which is equal to minus 1 minus 3 minus 4, 6 minus 4 is 2 by 3, so minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled, here it is 6 by 3. So 3 1 3 2's get cancelled. We have 2 by 3 comma 2. Okay, so this is the problem, and the next question is in the same model. Yeah, this is x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 I am taking. Now the centroid again. So this time I am going to write without using the formula, just 6 plus 0 plus 4 mean x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and 2 plus 0 minus 7 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So the next step we write 6 plus 4 is 10 divided by 3 and 2 minus 7 is minus 5 by 3. So this is the point 10 by 3 comma minus 5 by 3. So we have one more question in the same model, that is the question number 3 from the 10th Roman. So the model is the same. I hope you understand this model. So this is Sudhir. Thanks for watching. See you soon.